In today's video, I'm going to show you how to insert rows and columns in Excel. Go ahead and open Excel. I have it open in here. Now go to the project that you would like to add the row and columns. To insert a new row, all you need to do is right-click the row number where you want the new one to appear. For example, if you want to add a row between row 4 and 5, right-click on row 5, then select Insert from the menu. Excel will shift the existing rows downward and create a blank row right above the one you selected. For inserting a new column, it's just as easy. Right-click the letter of the column where you want to insert a new one. So, if you want a new column between columns B and C, right-click on column C and choose Insert. A fresh blank column will be added to the left, pushing all the other columns one step to the right. You can also insert multiple rows or columns at once. Simply highlight the number of rows or columns you want to insert, then right-click and hit Insert. Excel will add that same number of new rows or columns in their place. Alternatively, if you prefer the ribbon at the top, you can go to the Home tab, then in the Cells group, click on the Insert dropdown. You'll see options to insert sheet rows or columns directly from there as well. This method works the same whether you're using Excel on Windows or Mac, and it's consistent across most versions, including Excel 365 and Excel Online. That's it. Thank you for watching this video.